Okay, so this video is about how to read the SRA Reading Laboratory sheets and how to fill out the record page for it. Okay, so this SRAs are really cool. I used to do those when I was at school, and it really does help your reading heaps. Okay, so the first thing you do is you'll put the date on here. So I'm doing this on the 6th of the 3rd of the 16th. Okay, and then we have a look to see what the SRA colour is, and we can see that it is lime 2B. So put in here lime 2B, and the number is 1. So number 1. Okay, the next thing we do is we read the title, and we also read the text and size. So why the sky is so high. So we'll have the text, which is on the inside part of the SRA sheet. And you would read all of these paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, all those. And you would answer the questions that come on the next page. How well did you read? The story says that Akisha poked a hole in the sky. Some of the things in the story happened because she poked a hole in the sky. Which ones? Each sentence below tells something that happened in the story. If it happened because Akisha poked a hole in the sky, write yes. If it happened for some other reason, write no. Right, so you'll see that the numbers 1 to 5, how well did you read? You'll have them here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now some of the other colours later on might have an extra 2 questions in here, but this one's only got 5. So you'd answer those 5 questions for here. Lightning rumbled for 1, if it did happen. Because she poked a hole in the sky, you'd put yes, because that's what it asked me to do. You must write yes or no. Lightning flashed, it must be yes, because I've read this before. Tall people bumped their heads. I think that was no. The sky moved far from the earth. That was yes. And cooks used pieces of sky in their food. That was not because she poked a hole in the sky. Okay, so there's no more questions for how well did you read on this one. So I'd skip to learn about words, vocabulary. And there are 33 questions, as you can see. Right, so this one asks us to do something. You can often tell the meaning of a word by reading the words around it. Look at each number in parentheses. Now parentheses are these brackets here, and there's the number inside it. Find the paragraph in the story with the same number. So if you look over into the story, you'll see little numbers up there. You may not see it in the video, but there's little numbers here that tell us which number paragraph these paragraphs are. And so this one's asking us to find it in paragraph 1. So the first question is write the word, then find the word that fits the given meaning. So you've got to find a word that means the same as this sentence here. Number 1, planet we live on or world. Let's have a look in paragraph 1, because that's what it's asking us to look at. Long ago the sky was very close to the earth. Earth means planet we live on, or world. So under number 1, I would write earth. That means the same thing. Number 2, a problem, a thing that causes trouble. And that's in paragraph 2. So let's have a look at paragraph 2. There it is. But having the sky so low was also a bother. Bother. That means problem or thing that causes trouble. So under number 2, I would put bother, because that's the word we want. Then we carry on with each one of these questions, and then there's a next section. One good way to learn words is to use them. And so you'd put the missing words in here, and you'd write them into the answers there. So you go all the way through, being really careful to follow the instructions. Once we get down to number 33, which is the last one, then that's your SRA sheet finished. Okay, so once you're finished, then you can go and find the answer card. So you look in the SRA box and find the answer card for line 2B, number 1. So here's the answer card. And so you can check your answers. So let's check the first ones that we did. Number 1 was yes, so give that a tick. 2 was yes. 4 was no. 3 was no, sorry. 4 was yes. And 5 was no. Okay, so then we go on to the next 33 down here. So A1 was earth, yes. 2 was bother, yes. And so on. So you tick all them. Now, if you think you did pretty good, I believe my work on SRA today was poor, okay, good, or amazing. If you probably got all of them right, that would be amazing. So you tick that. And that is how you fill out an SRA sheet.